Today, we're diving into the topic of sunspots and how to get rid of them. So, let's get started. Sunspots, also known as hyperpigmentation, occur when the skin produces more melanin in certain areas, often due to sun exposure. But don't worry, we have the solution for you. The first step in combating sunspots is a consistent skincare routine. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities. After cleansing, apply a serum infused with ingredients like vitamin C and niacinamide. These will help brighten and even out your skin tone. To lock in moisture and further protect your skin, don't forget to apply a moisturizer with SPF. This will shield your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing further sun damage. Additionally, sun protection is crucial. Wear a wide-brimmed hat and apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even when it's cloudy. Exfoliation is key in achieving clear, radiant skin. Use a gentle scrub once or twice a week to slough away dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. Remember, beauty starts from within. Maintain a healthy diet rich in antioxidants and drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Lastly, don't forget about stress management. Engage in activities like yoga or meditation to reduce stress levels, which can contribute to the appearance of sunspots. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to vanishing sunspots and achieving clear, radiant skin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Stay beautiful.